Good day from beautiful Guarantee RV in the Northwest here, Junction City, the fun capital of Oregon. I'd like to show you today this 2018 Winnebago Minnie Winnie. It's a 26-footer with a lot of usable room and a very unique layout with 3 slide outs. Let's go inside and take a look. So one of the wonderful things of a Class C is you have great sleeping room in the cab over. This one also has a TV. You come around to this booth dinette, it will lower down for sleeping, has flip-up ends for additional capacity. So wonderful area to be able to seat an entire family to have a meal. If you have storage here with pull-outs, your bathroom, shower, and your toilet and lavatory are here, with your shower across the hall. You can separate this area off with this closing door. It's for privacy. Here in the back is a very unique layout. The slide out for the bed goes out the back, and then we have a wardrobe slide that goes out the driver's side. So this not only has tremendous amounts of room, it is a unit with great storage. So coming back up, double door refrigerator, 3-burner gas stove, microwave, nice sink area. So again, a great family coach with good sleeping, tremendous seating for dinner, and a lot of sleeping room. So on the outside we have a full-length awning that can be pulled out so you can sit out and enjoy your patio. Storage underneath here, 2 storage bays. Additional storage here on the back. Nice large storage here in the back corner. We have a ladder to access the roof. Additional storage in this corner. Great spot for your sewer hose and many things. Underneath the slide out, very unique in that we have 3 storage areas. One of which will be the generator, and 2 of them will be storage areas. Again, unique floor plan, triple slide out toppers to keep the tops clean and free of leaves. And of course, last but not least, easy access to driver and passenger area. So hope you'll think of us and give us a call. Number's on the screen. Again, my name is Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV in Junction City. My phone number is 541-501-8056. Thank you very much.